Master, I have tried so hard, yet my life keeps repeating itself. On an old mat in the quiet corner of a monastery, a young student sat before his master, his voice trembling in the fading twilight. He spoke of his attempts to change, new jobs, new environments, even walking away from toxic relationships. Yet somehow, he found himself back at the start. Financial struggle, a persistent sense of isolation, and a heart haunted by silent confusion. Why, Master? Why does life stay the same even when I try so hard to live differently? The master didn't answer immediately. He simply smiled, poured a cup of tea, and placed it on a weathered wooden table. My child, you are confusing external change with inner transformation. All realities in life, wealth, health, and relationships are the fruits, and fruit does not appear from nowhere. It grows from the seeds you have sown, the mental images, the deep-seated beliefs, and the internal dialogues you repeat within your soul every single day. The seed you are looking for, the master replied, is not found in what you do, but in what you carry within. First, the scientific perspective. Seeds are mental imprints. Every day, you plant images through what you hear, see, and speak. Second, the spiritual perspective. Seeds are vibrational frequencies. By dwelling in gratitude, compassion, and joy, you recalibrate your destiny. And third, philosophical insight. Seeds are foundational beliefs. Remember this level of awareness. The root of my life begins with me, but it is not my fault. A caterpillar must break its own cocoon to become a butterfly. If someone cuts the silk to help the insect, it dies because its wings never grew strong enough through the struggle. There are 6 common mental blockages that act as your cocoon: self-belittlement, fear of failure, fear of criticism, the scarcity mindset, intellectual stagnation, and lack of vision. Every blockage you break is a layer of the old self falling away, bringing you closer to the light. Do not spend your life fighting the darkness. Simply nurture the light. When you illuminate your inner self, you ignite the 7 lamps: wisdom, attitude, character, virtue, capability, physical wellness, and material resources. We are all broadcasting stations. Low vibrations are worry and resentment. High vibrations are gratitude and peace. The journey follows a sacred path. Sow, nurture, illuminate, repeat. We do not write to remember. We write to plant seeds. You do not need to fix the world. You only need to ignite your own light. Live like a lamp. You don't need to preach to the darkness. Just be present, and your presence alone will illuminate the way.